everyone, this is Nadia from Langwan Group. Welcome to our warehouse. Today I'm going to show you our engine product, water pump. Come with me. Here is our water pump. 1 ball 1 cylinder dedicated water pump bearing and a stainless steel impeller. Matching water seal and 3 lines over central inner boards, precision machining. Corrosion service life and full inspection procedure before exit factory. With ISO certificate, we provide 1 year and 40,000 kilometers warranty, with no MOQ and delivering with 3 to 7 days.